Hello students, welcome to our class. In today's lecture we will discuss about the review examples in review exercise. Okay, in review exercise question number 1 is write mathematical expression for each of the following. Question 1 is write mathematical expression for each of the following using brackets. Okay, now there is sub question A, that 6 multiplied 2, difference of 17 and 11. Okay, so we have given that this statement and we have to write this statement in mathematical form. Okay, now see, we know multiplication. What is the symbol for multiplication? Okay, this is symbol for multiplication. For division, this is symbol for division. Okay, so we know all the symbols for addition, subtraction. Okay, now see, here 6 multiply, so 6 is multiply, so we can write 6 multiply, so we have to multiply 6. Now we have to multiply 6 2, difference of 17 and 11, so we have to multiply 6 to the difference of 17 and 11, so we have to write difference of 17 and 11, it can be written as 17 minus 11, and we have to multiply this 6 to this whole term, so we have to put here bracket. Okay, so this mathematical expression says that or express that 6 multiplied to the difference of 17 and 11, or you can write also, there is no necessary to write this multiplication sign, you can only write 6 into bracket 17 minus 11. Okay, this also means same. Okay, now see second, subtract 13 from product of 5 and 9. Okay, so here also we have to write subtract 13 means we have to subtract 13, and we have to subtract 13 from, so from product of 5 and 9. Product of 5 and 9 means what? 5 into 9, and we have to subtract this 13 from this whole term, so we have to put here bracket. Okay, means what is the meaning of this expression? Subtract 13 from product of 5 and 9. Okay, so you can do that type of examples. Now see another, number C, add 7 multiplied by 5 to the difference of 5 and 3. Okay, so we have to write this statement in mathematical form. So first see what is the statement. Add 7 multiplied by 5 means we have to add this term, 7 multiplied by 5 to the difference of 5 and 3, so we have to add these two terms, so add means plus. Okay, add means plus, and we have to add these two terms, which are that two terms? 7 multiplied by 5 means 7 into 5 to the difference of 5 and 3, so difference of 5 and 3 means 5 minus 3, so we have to put brackets here. So see, add means summation, these two terms, 7 multiplied by 5 means 7 into 5 to the difference of 5 and 3 means 5 minus 3. Okay, so this is the mathematical expression for this statement. Now see number D. So 20 divided by 5 subtracted from 16. Okay, so see here, 20 divided by 5 is one term. 20 divided by 5 is one term, and we have to, and this term is subtracted from 16, means we have to subtract this term from 16, means we write 16 plus 16 first, okay, then write minus sign and then write this term. So 20 divided by 5 means 20 divided by 5. Okay, so we have to put here bracket because 20 divided by 5, this whole term is subtracted from 16. Okay, now see number E. 24 added to 15 divided by 5. So see, this is a simple expression. Now 24 added to 24 is added to, so 24 is added means plus 2, which term? 15 divided by 5. So 15 divided by 5, so 24 is added to this whole term, so we have to put bracket for this term. 24 added to 15 divided by 5. Okay, now you can solve example number F. Okay, try this. Now see, question number 1 is completed. Now see question number 2. So what is the question number 2? Question number 2 is simplify the following terms, okay, using BODMAS rule. So question 2 is simplify the followings. Okay, now there are so many examples, and the first 5 examples are very easy. You can do that examples. Okay, now I will move towards the example number F. Okay, so first 5 you can do that, they are very easy. Now see what is F. So in square bracket there are two round brackets, 2 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus, again there is a round bracket, 10 divided by 5 minus 1 into 3 plus 2, round bracket complete and square bracket completed. Okay, so we have to simplify this term. So see, in this term there are two round brackets and there is a subtraction of these two round brackets and is whole covered by square bracket. So what is our method to solve this type of examples? We solve this by BODMAS rule, and in BODMAS rule we first solve brackets. So see, we first solve innermost bracket, but there are two brackets, there are two round brackets, so solve this round bracket simultaneously. Okay, so that is equal to, write square bracket as it is. Now in this round bracket, so again we keep the order, we do division first. So here division, so 2 divided by 1, so whenever we divide any number by 1 we get same number. So 2 divided by 1 gives you 2, multiply by 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, simultaneously you can solve this bracket also. So see, in this bracket there are 1 2 3 4 operations, so we first do division. So 10 divided by 5 gives you 2. Now write minus 1 multiply by 3 plus 2 as it is. Okay, round this second round bracket completed, square bracket completed. Okay, now see, we have to solve this bracket. Now again in this bracket there remains 3 operations. We first do multiplication, so 2 into 2 4 plus 1 minus 1 as it is, minus 2 minus 1 into 3 3 plus 2. Okay, now see, first do addition. 4 plus 1 5 minus 1 minus. So see, in this bracket subtraction comes first and then addition. So write the first addition term. So we write 2 as it is, plus 2 as it is, and minus 3. Just we replace the positions. Okay, so we first do addition, that's why I write this term. Okay, now 5 minus 1 is 4, minus sign as it is. Now in this bracket first do addition. 2 plus 2 4 minus 3. Okay, now 4 minus 3 gives you 1. Square bracket completed. Now in this square bracket there remains only one operation. 4 minus 1 gives you 3. Okay, now this is the answer of our given question. Okay, sometimes we do first subtraction, but if you do first subtraction then our answer will be wrong. So first do addition, and that's why write first addition terms and then subtraction. Okay, now see example number G. Now in example number G, in round bracket 7 divided by 7 into 7 plus 7 minus 7 minus, there is one more round bracket, 5 minus 5 plus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 5, round bracket completed. Okay, now solve this. If you have understood this concept, then you can solve simultaneously with me. Now see how to solve this. See here there are two round brackets, so we solve this round bracket simultaneously and by keep the rule BODMAS. Okay, now see in this round bracket we first do division. Okay, so now there is 7 divided by 7 gives you 1. Now write multiplication sign as it is and remaining term as it is. Okay, this round bracket completed, minus second round bracket. In second round bracket there also first do division. So write 5 minus 5 plus 5 into, now see 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now round bracket completed. Okay, now in this round bracket we first do multiplication. So 1 into 7 gives you 7. Write remaining term as it is, minus. In this round bracket we first do multiplication. So write 5 minus 5 plus as it is. 5 into 1 gives you 5. Round bracket complete. Now we do addition first. So here addition comes first. So 7 plus 7 14 minus 7 as it is, minus. So in this terms see minus sign comes first and plus sign at last. So write additive term first. So 5, write 5, this plus 5, and then write minus 5. So there is no difference between these two terms. So just write additive term first and then subtract. Okay, now see here 14 minus 7 gives you 7. Minus sign as it is. In this bracket do addition first. 5 plus 5 10 minus 5, this minus 5 as it is. Now 7 minus 10 minus 5 gives you 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so that type of examples are there in question number 2. So I have solved difficult examples here also, and some simple examples are there, and you can do that. We have discussed in previous lectures also. Now we will see example number K. Okay, now see in K, in square bracket there is curly bracket, 22 divided by 2 into 11 plus 3, curly bracket completed, minus, there is another curly bracket, 40 divided by 10 plus 3 minus 5, curly bracket completed, and square bracket completed. So here also there are two curly brackets. in square bracket. So just solve this curly bracket simultaneously. Okay, now solution. So write square bracket as it is. In this curly bracket, first do division. So write this bracket. 22 divided by 2 gives you 11. Now write remaining term as it is into 11 plus 3, curly bracket completed, minus sign as it is this curly bracket. In this curly bracket there are so first two division. So 40 divided by 10 gives you 4. Write remaining term as it is plus 3 minus 5, second curly bracket completed, square bracket completed. Now see, there remains two operation in first curly bracket. So 11 into 11 gives you 121 plus 3 as it is, minus, here there is addition and subtraction. First do addition. 4 plus 3 7, write minus 5 as it is, second curly bracket completed, square bracket completed. Okay, now in first curly bracket 121 plus 3 gives you 124. Remove this curly bracket, minus 7 minus 5 gives you 2. Remove this curly bracket and write square bracket. Okay, now 124 minus 2 gives you 122. So this is our final answer. Okay, now let's see example number L. Okay, now in L, what is the term? 22 divided by square bracket 2 plus curly bracket 12 multiply round bracket 14 minus 4 under line bracket plus 10 round bracket completed divided by 12 curly bracket completed, square bracket completed. Okay, now see, in this example the innermost bracket is line bracket, after that there is a round bracket, after that there is a curly and then square. So we first solve line bracket. So write other terms as it is. 22 divided by this square bracket 2 plus curly bracket 12 round bracket. Now see, under this line bracket there is a subtraction. So solve this bracket. 40 minus 4 gives you 10. Remove this line bracket, write remaining term as it is. Okay, now see, in this round bracket there remains one more term, one more operation. Now see, write other terms as it is. 22 divided by square bracket 2 plus 12 in round bracket 10 plus 10 gives you 20. Write remaining term as it is. Okay, now 22 divided by square bracket 2 plus curly bracket. Now see here, 12 into this bracket means 12 is multiplied to this bracket. So 12 into 20 gives you 240, and write remaining term as it is. Okay, now we have solved round bracket. Now there remains curly bracket and square bracket. So first solve curly bracket. So write remain other terms as it is. So in curly bracket there is division of 240 by 12. So when we divide 240 by 12 we get 20. 12 to the 24 and 0. Okay, so remove that curly bracket because we have solved it. Write square bracket as it is. Now 22 divided by, in this square bracket there is addition. 2 plus 20 gives you 22, and 22 divided by 22 gives you 1. Okay, because when we divide same number by it then we get 1. Okay, now we will solve example number M. So see, there is 9 of 600 minus, in round bracket 14 of 650 minus 2 of 5 divided by 3 plus 4 of 250. Okay, curly bracket completed. So see, there are one more thing is added, off. So we know meaning of off. Whenever there is off between two numbers, we just multiply that two numbers. Meaning of off is multiplication. Okay, now to solve this example is equal to, so see, in there are two brackets, this is round and curly. So first solve innermost bracket, that is round bracket, and simultaneously write the meanings of 9 of. Okay, now see, 9 of 600 means multiplication of 9 and 600. 9 into 600, meaning of is multiplication, minus curly bracket as it is round bracket, 14 of means multiplied by 650, minus 2 of means multiply by 5, divided by 3, plus 4 of 250 means 4 into 250, curly bracket completed. Okay, so 9 into 600 means 5400, minus in curly bracket round bracket 14 into 650 means 9100, minus 5 into 2 means 10, divided by 3, plus 4 into 250 means 1000. Okay, so we have what we have write here first, off. Okay, calculate, we do first calculations of off means multiplication. So we do 1 2 3 4 multiplication first and write remaining terms as it. Now we can do the calculations. First solve this round bracket, so write 5400 as it is, minus curly bracket. In this curly bracket there, in this round bracket there is subtraction. Sorry, I have write here 2 of 50. Okay, mistake, 2 of 50, here also 15, 15 to the 100. Okay, now see, when subtract 9100 from subtract 100 from 9100, we get 9000. Okay, so remove that round bracket, write remaining term as it is, divided by 3, plus 1000. Now so we have solved round bracket. Now there is only one bracket, that is curly, so solve it. So write remaining term as it is, 5400 minus in curly bracket, first do division. When we divide 9000 by 3, we get 3000, plus 1000 as it is. Okay, now 5400 minus 3000 plus 1000 means 4000, and when we subtract 4000 from 5400, we get 1400. Okay, so as like this you can solve example number n also. Okay, so we have completed in this lesson we have completed review exercise, and the examples that I have given to for exercise for homework, just you can do it. Okay, thank you.